Hi friends, welcome to Cricksoft.com, and today we are going to discuss the match number 10 that has just concluded between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So basically, if we summarize this match in the short, basically Delhi Capitals was looking overconfident and they just let the match slip from their hands because the match was totally in their control. And have they showed any good planning or good approach in this match, they could have easily won. But the players were looking like they were looking very overconfident. Pant was taking so many balls, and whole Delhi Capitals squad was thinking that they will win this match very easily. But as of it's a game of cricket. There is no concept of what you have won in the past, what you have won yesterday. It's the present day that matters. So basically, that's a very good reality check for Delhi Capitals in the starting of the tournament. They will have to find out and regroup and see that they can't let these easy matches slip from their hands. Taking nothing credits away from Sunrisers Hyderabad playing their third match, it was their first win. So we will quickly take you through what happened in the match. So Warner and Bairstow, they started batting for Sunrisers Hyderabad, and they started very slowly, but both of them batsmen were scoring not at a very good pace, but they just keep scoring singles and doubles, and at one point they also start accelerating. So Warner got to 45 runs before he was dismissed to trying a reverse sweep Amit Mishra. That decision was reviewed as it was not out by the on-field umpire. A good review by DC, and the Bairstow was not looking in his sublime form, but still he get to that 53. A very scratchy innings, but those 53 and 45 in the starting of the Sunrisers Hyderabad innings set the tone for Sunrisers Hyderabad to get to a respectable score, because both the batsmen, both the openers, Warner and Bairstow, didn't get a lot of attack, didn't play a lot of attacking shots in the starting, but they were playing like that helped Sunrisers Hyderabad fellow batsmen to get to take their team to a respectable total, and that help was done by the Williamson, who was included first time in the Sunrisers Hyderabad squad, and he played with a very good strike rate of 157, making 41 runs of 26 balls, and that was the story of Sunrisers Hyderabad. In 20 overs, they made 162 runs, and at this point of time, Delhi Capitals was looking very happy as they were thinking that match is fully under their control, but as I said, that they were bitten by the overconfident. They won two matches back to back, and none of their batsmen was looking like they are playing any serious cricket or showing any real intent to win this match. So in the chase of the Delhi Capitals, Prithvi Shaw was bitten by the law of averages. As he scored a half century, he was dismissed cheaply in the very first over by Bhuvneshwar Kumar of just 2 runs. Shikhar Dhawan also spent some time in the middle. He once again scored 30 plus runs, but that was just what his story in the middle was. So he got to the scratchy innings of 34 runs and then was dismissed by Rashid Khan. Shreyas Iyer and Rishabh Pant, basically when he was batting, then all the hopes of Delhi were on to Rishabh Pant. The team was needing some runs at the strike rate of 12 runs per over, at the run rate of 12 runs per over, and Delhi Capitals at this point of time was also looking like they will get those runs very easily. But Rishabh Pant was dismissed playing short of Rashid Khan to the leg side, and after the Rishabh Pant gone, Simran Hetmeyer played a quick fire 21 runs of 12 balls, but after that it was just nothing. Natarajan bowled good Yorkers. He bowled Yorkers, one by just consecutive Yorkers in his over, and none of the Delhi Capitals batsmen was able to catch up that run rate that was building up and up, and in the end they were short by 15 runs. So a very overconfident Delhi Capitals they were looking like they will get to that score very easily. None of their batsmen showed any intent in the middle, and none of the batsmen, like one batsman could have played normal cricket, but another batsman should have played more attacking cricket from the other side. So that was the story for today. Not that thrilling match or the excited match of the last two matches we have. One was of that Tevatia's innings, and the last night the super overs. So Delhi Capitals just slipped their let this match slip from their hands. But Sunrisers, congrats to Sunrisers Hyderabad as they won their very first match, and this is very good for the IPL as in whole, because now both CSK and Sunrisers Hyderabad have one win in the three matches they have played. So the competition will be equal, and the competition will be tough among the teams to who gets to the final top four in the playoffs. So that's all for today. Do let us know in the comments, were you happy with the Delhi Capitals chasing strategy, or you will like some intent from the batsman, because that intent was missing. And also what you like in the new Sunrisers Hyderabad squad, as they give place to Kane Williamson, and also they made some changes as they gave debut to Abdul Samad in place of Wriddhiman Saha, who did well. He fielded well and also smashed some out of the park. So that's all for today. Do like the video, subscribe and share, and also press the bell icon if you like the video. And that's all for today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep watching cricket. Good night.